In this journey of celebrating Kunwar Viyogi Memorial Lecture has been addressed by stalwarts like Honorable Union Minister Dr. Jitendra Singh Ji, Dr. Karan Singh Ji, Member Rajya Sabha, and Major General Retired Govardhan Singh Jamwal Ji. I now put up a humble request to Honorable Vice Chancellor, University of Jammu, Professor Umesh Rai Sir, to kindly commence the proceedings of the 4th Kunwar Viyogi Memorial Lecture with his address.
मैडम पूनम सिंह जामवाल जी, श्री गोवर्धन सिंह जामवाल जी, मेजर जनरल विक्रम देव डोगरा जी और हमारे सामने बैठे हुए हैं मेजर जनरल गोवर्धन सिंह जामवाल जी। तीन विभागों की जिम्मेदारी संभाल रहे हैं। 2 विभाग, एक डोगरी और दूसरा इंग्लिश। तो विभागाध्यक्ष डोगरी, विभागाध्यक्ष इंग्लिश और डीन फैकल्टी ऑफ आर्ट प्रोफेसर सुचिता पठानिया जी। हमारे बड़े अच्छे निकट के संबंध बन चुके हैं। बड़े कम समय में 1-1.5 साल के अंदर श्री बलवंत ठाकुर जी मैडम भी हैं, उनका भी, प्रोफेसर अंजू भसीन जी, हमारी सिविल सोसाइटी से आए हुए लोग, हमारी फैकल्टी, स्टूडेंट्स इंग्लिश और डोगरी डिपार्टमेंट से मुझे लगता है कि अधिकांश संख्या में है। बाकी डिपार्टमेंट ने मान लिया कि जो है ये यूनिवर्सिटी का फंक्शन नहीं है, ये सिर्फ इन 2 विभागों का फंक्शन है, जो शायद एक चिंता का विषय है। मुझे लगता है कि ये हमारे लिए गर्व की बात है और गौरव की बात है कि ये फंक्शन कुंवर वियोगी ट्रस्ट के द्वारा के तत्वाधान में इंग्लिश और डोगरी डिपार्टमेंट के ज्वाइंट कोलैबोरेशन के साथ हो रहा है। So I am really delighted to be the part of this 4th Kunwar Viyogi Memorial Lecture, and the theme is, as I said, success mantra for the digital age. So the fittest topic and what could be the success mantra, and nobody could be better than Sri Rajendra Singh Pawar ji, who has spared time to share his views with us. And Professor Pawar, he is, as Madam said, that he established and nurtured the NIIT into a leading global talent development corporation, offering learning solutions to individuals, enterprises and institutions, all the 3. Individuals, institutions and enterprises. So he is offering solutions, and what we are doing, we are creating problems in our classrooms but not offering solutions. We make the students aware about that problem, but we never come out with the solutions in our classroom. And that's why I think Pawar Sahab's presence and his views, which is going to share with us in response to our Prime Minister Narendra Modi vision to India as a global hub of cyber security products and services. So we have to see that we must come out from our classroom boundaries and develop the interrelationship between academia and industry. And the job of the university system is to deliver an education that should solve the problem of the society. Rather than we are teaching the political theory, and for 70 years same political theory. How that political theory is going to help those students in getting the job, still I am unable to understand that part. But we don't teach the statistics in any political science department of any university of India. And can you think about that, a political science department without data? So that's the real challenge before us. We must revisit our curriculum and considering the digital era in mind. So must our curriculum must marry with technology, and that should be the integrated part of that. Each department, I think I request all the head of department, whoever are here, or through you, madam, to at least, because the humanities departments, they are more concerned about that, except I'm not talking about the English department, except English. But the other departments, whether the Hindi, Sanskrit, Dogri, in one of the functions that was organized under the umbrella of the Kuwar Yogi Trust, the Kuwar Yogi Trust, you would be happy to know that donated digital lab to Dogri department. And that's unique. Let's give a big hand to that trust. And the problem is that whether that lab is being used optimally by not only Dogri department, but the Sanskrit also, but the Hindi also, and there is a department, computational Sanskrit department in University JNU. But the other departments are not thinking on that line. Can we integrate our language with computer? Can we run computational Dogri? Can we run computational Hindi? So I think the time has come that we must integrate the technology with the languages or other subjects also. So that's my appeal, that we must focus the integration of technology with our courses. I also welcome, on behalf of the entire university, Major General Vikram Dev Dogra. He is an inspiration of passion, life and josh. He did his third alignment event in the Barcelona, and he is a motivational and leadership speaker. Madam Sucheta Pathania ji has already introduced Sri Rajan Singh Pawar ji and Sri Major General Vikram Dev Dogra ji, and the same script almost always provided to me also. That I have been asked to read out this, so I don't know what to do with this script. That would be a simple repetition. Right. So the issue is that, again, look, the trust is ready to extend all support to us. All the way they are coming to the institution, requesting the institution to please come forward. We are the one who are not ready to receive that. Please. And I request the trust people and also the Rajan Singh Pawar ji that please interact today. Please spare some time to interact with the students of design your degree. And idea is there. We must understand the power of the technology. They are admitted in this program. So she made the presentation for first 4 semester. The idea is unlearn. What you have learned, you have to unlearn that. And the reason is that, पता नहीं हम लोग परमार साहब आप भी और हम भी जब बचपन में पढ़ते थे तो स्लेट होती थी, और स्लेट पर हम लिखते थे और फिर कुछ और लिखना होता था तो उसको मिटाते थे. तो जो 12वीं तक उसके मन में जो लिखा हुआ है उसको मिटाना है और तब फिर लिखना है. तो अनलर्न एंड देन लर्न. एंड फर्स्ट 4 सेमेस्टर the focus is given on skills. And what kind of skills? Dr. Sadat Saab categorically explained: mathematical ability, analytical ability, communication skill, creative thinking, application of information technology, so on and so forth. And that's the demand. And why I am saying that 10 years back in the University of Delhi, when we invited the industries for placement of our students, and we all know that in the colleges of the University of Delhi, students' admission used to be closed by 90%, 92% in many of the disciplines. But when we invited the industry people, not even 5% students could get the placement. And when we asked the region, they said, we are not looking for domain knowledge. Your students are very good in domain knowledge. But what is lacking is that the skills in India, because the template was suggested by the University Grants Commission. That again, that focus is given on domain knowledge. Only 10% focus is given on skills. If you see the template, analyze that number of credits, how many credits that are allocated for the major subject, minor subject, interdisciplinary subject, and skills, you will find only 10% of that is focused on the skills. This is against the spirit of national education policy, and that's why this program is launched. So first 4 semesters, the students would go through different skills in a project mode. And it's not that project would be offered course-wise. So she said that, and if you recall, exploring the surroundings, and Parmar Sahib is here. We have to identify the problem of the JNK, incubate that idea, innovate on that, and see that can be taken up to the startup level. So if you see the template, in that template, the paper is course is on social innovation, startup. Even does the world revolve around economics? एंसेंट पीरियड से लेकर के और अब तक यूक्रेन के वार तक, क्या इसके पीछे इकोनॉमिक्स है? प्रोजेक्ट मोड में बच्चे से इंपॉर्टेंस ऑफ डेटा, एप्लीकेशन ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी, फ्यूचर टेक्नोलॉजी, आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस, नॉकिंग आवर डोर. अगर हम आज नहीं समझते हैं, बिकॉज वाई आई आस्क सदर टू मेक द प्रेजेंटेशन, द टॉपिक इज वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. मैं अभी अपना पार्ट रख दे रहा हूं ताकि फिर आपको सारा प्रोटोकॉल तोड़ करके, because the topic is the success of mantra of digital age, and very relevant topic. And I'm happy that the Parmar Sahib is going to deliver lecture on that. And Parmar Sahib, Jammu University is open for that. And I would request you and Madam Aapko, Jan Sahib Aapko bhi, please interact with the students of our design or degree program. And that program is designed in that way to understand the power of technology. And today's function, that the theme is that, and that's why I request you to please spare some time to interact with the students. I also congratulate the trust for launching the international chapter of annual Kumar Yogi Utsav this year. In its 8th year, Kumar Yogi Utsav has launched 6 chapters across the world: London, Paris, Melbourne, New Jersey, Gurgaon and Jammu. Due to their efforts, Yogri is being showcased globally by our daughters and sons of the soil. Always believes in exposing youth to experiences and life lessons of global leaders. So we have offered a paper in our design or degree program, and that is Marvels of the World. Also, discovering the self. So, discovering the self, well, and Kumar Yogi ji could be one of the ideal to discover ourselves. And I hope that the other departments can also include Kuwar Yogi ji contribution as an idol, as a marvel to the curriculum, so that we can connect with our history. This session today was aligned with this objective, and I wish you all for the success of this. Thanks.
Please comment, like, share and subscribe to our channel for weekly content of poetry, music videos, artist interviews, roundtables and cultural dialogues.